Today, this is the Human Phenomena channel, the Ringelmann effect. The Ringelmann effect is the tendency for the personal productivity of individual members of a group to decrease as its size increases. It was first described by Maximilian Ringelmann, a French professor of agricultural engineering in 1913. Tag of war is often used to illustrate the Ringelmann effect. The more people involved in a task, the lower the average productivity becomes, because each participant feels that their own efforts are not decisive. In the comments under the video, write whether you have noticed this phenomenon in yourself or at your work. Ringelmann conducted a series of experiments with lifting weights and tug of war, in which he recorded the maximum achievements of individual participants, as well as teams of different sizes, consisting of them. The experiments show that achievement built on the individual efforts of participants exceed similar ones in which the latter act together. According to Ringelmann, this is explained by the loss of individual motivation and the need of coordination between groups members. Loss of motivation, or social loafing, as it is otherwise called, is a decrease in the applied individual effort observed when working in groups compared to working alone. According to Ringelmann, group members tend to rely on their colleagues or co-participants to provide the effort needed to complete a common task. Although group members tend to believe that they are contributing maximally when asked, evidence shows that members engage in loafing even when they are not aware that they are doing so. Additionally, studies have shown that participants with prior experience in team sports may not exhibit the Ringelmann effect.